Hey, welcome to Demix. In this part 2 video, we are going to learn about creating a Spring Boot project and dependencies, adding to the necessary dependencies to the project. So let's get started. So if you see here, I have noted down here all the steps how we are going to create the project. All the things like we have to go to start.spring.io initializer, then project type, language, choose all the things. So let's start to create the project. Actually here, let me go to Google Chrome. Okay, I have already opened in the spring initializer. So let's follow the steps now what we did. Okay, now if you see here, we have now here project type Maven. Okay, project type Maven. Then if you see here, I have chosen Java 3.4 version Spring Boot, project metadata like group com.demx, artifact nothing but the application name. Let me make it student management, name student management, to description demo project for Spring Boot and Mockito, now Java 17. I have installed Java 17, so I can choose Java 17. Now let's see what all are the dependencies needed. Now if you see, I have already chosen here Spring Web is required, then Spring Data JPA, then PostgreSQL. I am using PostgreSQL database, so that's why I'm choosing PostgreSQL database. Now click on generate. Okay. Now it's generating. If you see here. Okay. Now let's import that project in IntelliJ. Let me go to extract, download, management, projects, dynamics. Then let me pull up the screen. Here if you see, let me extract all, extract. So if you see, let's delete the zip file. Let's do this one. Okay. Now import this project actually. Okay. Now open, new, open. Then coming to the folder, if you see here student management, that makes here it is there. Let me import this one. Then click on trust project, new window. Then I have imported in the IntelliJ actually. Let's import this one. Now if you see here, main Java resources. So if you see, we'll go to pom.xml. So it is created Java version 17, starter web, starter test. If you see starter data JPA, web, PostgreSQL, and starter test, by default it is added. So if you see here, click on the add manual Spring Boot starter test. If it's by default not added. So everything we have done here. Now let's run this application. Okay, run. So everything is up and running or not, we'll see. Okay, so some error. Okay, We have added the dependencies PostgreSQL data JPA, but PostgreSQL, but we don't have the details. Let me copy. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so everything I have added here. Now let's run it. Okay, now if you see, the by default port is 8080, so the application is up and running now. So our Spring Boot application setup is done, right? Now go to, now we are going to discuss about in the next video, like adding the service logic, service test cases, those things we are going to discuss. Thank you.